5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, my name is Aditya and you are watching Aditya Ki Pathshala. So today we will learn how to solve the one side of a Rubik's Cube. So before solving this, let me unscramble it. So you can see the cube is unscrambled now. And before solving, I would like to tell you the basic notations which are given in a Rubik's Cube, like what is the meaning of R, L, U and etc. So the meaning of R is the right side of the Rubik's Cube which I am twisting over here. This is the R. The left side which I am twisting over here, the left of the side of the Rubik's Cube is called the L. The upper side is located as U. Is notated as U. The back side is notated as B, and the front is located as F. And the down is located as D. So like I need to solve the white color over here and the pieces over here, and I need to insert it over here. So first I'll do this piece up, and I'll save this piece, because if I'll keep it over here and I'll do it up, then this will again come to the place. I'll go nowhere. I'll do it up. I'll save this piece, and then I'll do this again down. This piece I'll again do down, and then I'll put it over here, and then I'll put. See, it's gone up. Then next I want to do again. I have get the same situation, so I'll do the same thing which I did first. I'll save it, put it down. It's again gone up. Then like I have get this piece to the right, and this piece I need to insert it over, and this piece to the right. So if the piece is at the right, then you twist it to the right side, upper little right side. If it would be the left, then you would twist it to the left. So it is the right side, so you twist it to the right side. You turn your cube also with the help of when you twist this. Then you do it down, bring it over here, just come over here, then you do it up. See, it's gone up. Then next I need to solve this over here, put this over here. So I told you before, if it's the left side, then you twist it to the left side. Do it down, insert it over here, and then do it up. See, it's again gone up. And this time it is the upper side. If you think that you can insert it by doing it down and like this, so there is no, you cannot do it like this, because if you will twist the upper layer, this part will also twist. So for this you want to do, you insert this first, you do it this up, and then you bring these two pieces, you save these two pieces, then you do this up over here, and then you can again, and then you do the right side again down, and then you put these things over here, this side over here, then it up. See, it's gone up. Then next what I want to do that this is in the left side, this piece is on the left side, so I will twist it to the left side, do it down, bring it over here and do it up. It's gone up. Only one piece left, and then I found where it is, and this piece is down. So if this piece is down, then I'll do this middle layer up, save, put the piece under it, and then do it up. Done. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.